Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add money into Paypenny account. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how to add money into your Paypenny account, so the first thing to do is to make sure you complete the KYC verification before adding fund. Ensure you know your customer KYC verification is complete. This process typically takes around 30 minutes before you be done with the KYC completion. And after that, open your Paypenny app on your device, then enter your registered mobile number and your TPIN to access your account. Then after that, you have to move to navigate to the add money section. So on the home screen, tap on the add money option, then select your preferred method to add fund. Then you can simply add fund using your bank transfer. So choose the bank transfer as your funding method, then follow the on-screen instruction to initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Paypenny wallet. Then after that, you have to review all the transaction details, confirm the transfer to add funds to your Paypenny account, and that's how you can simply add money to your Paypenny account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.